Mr. Tactical Bacon. With authority, please.
Quit bubbling. Got some sediment in the barrel. Oh, shit.
Haha, you got the trigger locked. Nice, that's a good one too.
Hear all the sediment?
Yep.
Should we charge it and throw it in the water? Or open?
Yeah, charge it and throw it in. It's same. Where this is water, this isn't sediment test. We already did. Okay, allow it to stop bubbling. We need to make sure we get those shotgun shell boxes in the burn pile. You missed. All right. Ammo.
Yeah, soft strikes. And sand.
And sand. All right. Yeah, go ahead and throw some sand on top of it. All right, do your worst.
The Glock, popular to contrary belief, does not like water.
All right. So that's a failure.
Let me clean it.
Huh? You want to clean it out real quick?
Yeah.
You clean?
Should we let it redeem itself?
Yeah, all right, give it another shot. You're wasting a lot of ammo there, Mr. Tactical Bacon.
We're done with this sequence.